In this video, I'll go over the 6 steps that you need to take to dispute a Chase credit card charge. First, you can contact the merchant, so before contacting Chase, it is recommended to reach out to the merchant first to try and resolve the issue. Many disputes can be resolved directly with the merchant. The second step is to gather documentation, so collect any relevant documentation that can support your dispute, such as receipts, emails, or other communication with the merchant. Now log into your Chase online account, so go to the Chase website and log into your online account and click on the transaction you wish to dispute. Now initiate a dispute. Click on the Dispute a Transaction link and follow the instructions to submit your dispute. You may need to provide details about the transaction, the reason for the dispute, and any supporting documentation. Next, what you need to do is follow up, so Chase will investigate the dispute and may reach out to you for more information. Make sure to respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Finally, the resolution. Chase will notify you of the outcome of the dispute. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, the charge will be removed from your account. If the dispute is not resolved in your favor, you may have the option to escalate the dispute further. It is important to remember that you have a limited time frame to dispute a charge, so it's best to act quickly if you believe there is an error on your account. So now you know how to dispute a Chase credit card charge. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.